Hello, this is your host Akhil Navluri, and welcome to the second reel of the TechoSpace podcast tutorial. In this podcast tutorial, I'm going to talk about a very interesting and the most trending topic of AI, that is vibe coding. When we think about vibe coding, what is the thing that we actually, connect with? Firstly, it talks about the interaction of the developers with that of the AI assisted tools or with AI on the whole. Or in simple technical terms, so let's say on a higher level cases, it talks about creating or let's say developing an application using the AI assisted prompts or simply prompts. So I'll give you an example. You're doing vibe coding, and for the vibe coding, for example, you've been assisted with the task of building an application for the healthcare medical industry. So in this case, what do you think about? Firstly, you want to talk about how the front end has to look, how the what are the KPIs that you want to see, how should the workflow actually work, how should the workflow actually be like, and all the other necessary things that you want in an application. So all this thing is there, everything you're happy with that. But the problem, or let's say the biggest drawback for this is there is no human in the loop. I'll explain why. When we talk about an SDLC application, for example, we start with the we start with the development, we start with testing, then we start with deployment. This is a very simple way of telling about SDLC, but it's more than that. So in this case, when we develop an application, it is always necessary that people have to do the unit testing. The developers always do the unit testing, and then it is sent to the QA for doing the system integrated testing, and then the other test cases, the test scenarios follow. However, when it comes to vibe coding, testing is not taken into consideration. When testing is not taken into consideration, there are always high level of bugs. Think it like this: you're working in a very reputed project, or you're working in a most critical project, and in that case, if you're using vibe coding and if you're not doing the testing, then your application will hang up with a lot of bugs in the deployment phase. So always ensure that you need to have the human in the loop, which I mean to say that you need to do some unit testing, or you have to give it to the QA, and then he'll do the testing, and all the critical bugs will be eliminated. So this is my take on how there should be a human in the loop when it comes to vibe coding. So this is my take on it. Please do let me know what are your comments about it, and I would love to hear more from your end. So this is your host Akhil Navluri signing off, and we would be back with another podcast tutorial reel very soon. Till then, keep listening. Goodbye, student, and au revoir. Thank you.